Boy, your toe go and bubble for me, girl. Wickedest slam say you have it, girl. Balance my head, catch it up for me, girl. Hot and sexy, walk out with it, girl. Yeah. Girl, you good. Girl, you good, girl, you good, girl, you good. Balance pan the same thing just like you should. Your titty them firm, your brassiere holy good. Look good in a clothes, and your falls here good. Underneath you so clean, pum pum good. And when you walk in, everything good. Holy pa man a try look, you make sure them cash good. Because you have to call.
When it's time for a special event, the 𝒔𝒊𝒈𝒏𝒂𝒍 fish performs a remarkable ritual. A pair will leap out of the water together, securing themselves onto a leaf that hovers above the water's surface. The female then begins laying her eggs, while the male fertilizes them. This process is repeated until the leaf is dotted with eggs. Over the next 2 to 3 days, the male diligently guards the eggs, occasionally splashing water onto them to keep them moist and safe from drying out. Once the eggs hatch, the tiny fish